Hydrangeas are all wilted.
See,
No.
I know, it stinks, but it is what it is.
Yeah, one more day for everyone, including the hydrangeas. And I wanted to give you an update on this, guys. We did end up breaking the record in Bridgeport. That is new. I had initially said that we tied the record. Now we have officially broken it. So it's hot. You did it. Hot, humid. Live pictures right now in East Hartford, overlooking the Connecticut River. And you might be wondering, how come we're not seeing more storms? We've got the heat, we've got the humidity. Well, we've got a big area of high pressure that's sitting over the area that promotes sinking motion. And that's one of the reasons why we're just not getting torn up with storms each and every day. I just got a message from somebody in southeastern Connecticut, said, New London, there's barely a cloud in the sky right now. So again, that's what a strong area of high pressure will do. All right, moving forward here right now, 95 degrees in Danbury, low 90s in Waterbury, and middle 80s in Groton. Again, there's that sunny sky icon for you there. This should not say wind chill. Yeah, this is clearly not the wind chill. This is the heat index. It's a wind chill of 105 right now in Hartford. In Groton, there's a wind chill of 92. Brr, bundle up. Exactly. That's a different kind of record for a feels like index, right? All right, let's take a look at tomorrow, though, because while there is a chance for a hit or miss shower or thunderstorm this afternoon, the risk for severe weather is a lot lower. Tomorrow, what we'll be watching is the combination of a cold front approaching that will bring us those lower temperatures by the end of the week. And if it has just the right timing, we could see the chance for a scattered severe thunderstorm. That risk is going to be greater to the north of us here in Connecticut. But some of those storms might sneak in here, and the greatest risk with anything that does end up developing will be for strong, damaging winds. I wanted to go over what the SPC outlook is, SPC standing for Storm Prediction Center, because when you hear there's a slight chance of severe weather, to me that means there's barely any chance, right? But a slight risk really means is there a chance for a scattered severe storm. And we have this enhanced risk just to the north, which means numerous severe storms possible there. So when you hear the word slight, it kind of puts your brain in a different mode. A slight risk is a good chance for storms in this area, and we always kind of take it seriously. So I thought it'd be worth kind of going through that. Little thunderstorm that's kind of popped up here in Litchfield County, and again, not severe right now, but we're talking about a downpour, a few rumbles of thunder, Goshen over through Torrington. And again, there's more where that came from, kind of hit or miss. Although, can I get one at my house? Or my house and Jen's house, our hydrangeas would like to order up a downpour. Yeah, low temperatures tonight dropping back into the 70s, mild and muggy. We do it again. High temperatures tomorrow in the 90s, but feeling like triple digits. And then in the afternoon, we'll be keeping an eye to the skies. This is 7:30 tonight with a chance for a shower or thunderstorm in spots. The computer model's not going to get it in exactly the right spot. Tomorrow morning, hot, hazy, humid. And even in the early afternoon, we're likely dry. But it's going to be later in the day and at night. This is 6 o'clock that we're going to be watching those thunderstorms carefully. And again, looking to the north, how our high resolution models are really painting out a much bigger risk there, and some of that moving into northeastern Connecticut too. Following that, temperatures are cooler. They're not cold, but they're cooler, and it's also going to be humid out there. So we're not feeling like some big refreshing, somebody's opened up the refrigerator door by Thursday. We'll continue to see the chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms, but it's not going to be as hot. And then by Friday, it looks like we could see some periods of heavier rainfall, especially Thursday night into Friday. We might end up picking up a good, decent amount of rain. Our hydrangeas will definitely be happy then. And I'm feeling a little bit more optimistic about the weekend. It's still going to be cooler for sure. It's not your classic hot, hazy, humid, 4th of July weekend. But while there is a chance for a scattered shower both days, most of the time might be dry. We still got to keep an eye on it as it's a close call though, guys.
And start a new hashtag, Rachel, save the hydrangeas.